The challenge of utilizing artificial intelligence on a broad spectrum requires a whole culture change, and education needs to play a central role. Central to ARC, we're now turning into focusing specifically on education for AI. And for that, we've partnered together with Sheba's Education Authority, and together ARC and Sheba's Education Authority have launched the AI Academy, completely changing how our employees are seeing AI, utilizing AI in the real world, and actually understanding the capacity that AI has to revolutionize and transform healthcare. When we're implementing AI at Sheba, we have found to our surprise that there's huge reception by the staff. When you bring the right AI tools, not replacing doctors and nurses, but actually augmenting them, helping them, they are excited. And where they're happy, we know good things will happen.